Howdy ho, my friends. Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way, and I'm excited because today I'm going to juice celery using the Aicok juicer. Let's get started. As you can see, this pulp is pretty wet. It's definitely not getting all of the juice out of the celery pulp. That's quite a lot of juice in there. So this celery I got at Costco, it's 2.5 pounds of celery, and I juice it, and it usually makes almost 32 ounces. I'm going to run it backwards, see if I can get all that pulp back through. That's about it. So that pulp's pretty wet. You can see if I squeeze it, look at all that juice coming out of there. Now in another video, I'm going to do a head-to-head comparison of the Aicok juicer versus the Omega 900 juicer, which is recommended by Medical Medium. And so we'll get a look to see how these two juicers compare. But for now, this is the Aicok juicer, and it's a mid-priced, lower-priced option that may make it affordable for people to get into, at least start to have some juicing with celery juice going on. And let's taste this celery juice. That's so good. It's never bitter. I love the celery at Costco. It's amazing. Really good juice. Pretty good juicer. Stay tuned for the head-to-head comparison between this one and the Omega. Thanks for watching the Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the powerful medical scripture brought to us by Anthony William, the Medical Medium. I'm healing, and so can you.